This whole season is about giving you productive, proactive marketing tactics and tips that you can put into practice to get through this coronavirus crisis. Today, we do another marketing review live. It was with Sabrina Spellman of Rosberg House, which is a bed and breakfast vacation rental in Kansas, USA. I'm going to share my screen. So Sabrina actually won this marketing review, part of being in the hospitality community. Tell me more about the business. What is your unique selling point? I have a 5-room B&B, but I also rent it out as a vacation rental. Do you know how many people visited your website in the last month, in the last quarter? If that answer is no, then you need to get this. It's a free tool and it's super effective. When you have your homepage of your website, more often than not, this is the first impression that you are giving to a guest or a potential guest. What I would recommend, number one, would be to spend this downtime, to spend this lockdown period looking and putting the research in, getting a new website done. You want to have 80% of all of your website information on that homepage. 87% of people, they all agree on a poor user experience. They will leave the website and never come back. And it's just fact. As soon as somebody leaves your site, they just don't come back. This is a perfect time. You know, you're on lockdown, you can't leave the house. You've got time to look at your market. You've got time to improve what you're doing. But you need to have a little think about what needs to improve and then look at fixing it.